Sawubona mfundi. Do you speak Shona? If you do, I'm going to show you today some verbs that are very similar between Shona and Ndebele. Right. I'm going to be teaching you how to construct Ndebele sentences coming from the Shona sentences that you are very familiar with. Right. So let's get right into the first verb, which is kuona. In Ndebele, you're going to say ukubona. All right. Similar, isn't it? So here is what you can say. If in Shona I want to say ndiri kuona mbudzi, ngesindebele ngibona imbuzi. Ndiri kuona huku, ngibona inkukhu. Ndiri kuona nyoka, ngibona inyoka. Okay, and then there is the question, waonei, ngesindebele uboneni. All right. Ndichakuona, niza kubona. And then when you are saying goodbye to someone, tichaonana. Ngesindebele sizabonana. Let's move on to the second verb, which is kunzwa. Ngesindebele ukuzwa. Angithi. So, ndanzwa, ngizwile. Uri kunzwa? Uyezwa. Inzwa, zwana. Inzwa ka? Zwana phela. Angithi. Here is a sentence. Nezuro ndakhanzwa mwana achichema. Izolo ngizwe umntwana ekhala. Ndakhunzwa. Ngikuzwile. Ndakhunzwa iwe. Ngikuzwile wena. Does it make sense so far? Let's jump into verb number 3, which is vura. I'm sure you can guess what it is ngesindebele. Vula. All right. Vura, vula. Vura bodoro. Vula imbodlela. Even the word for Monday in Shona munotichi muvuro. And it ngesindebele umvulo. All right. Ndasiya ndavura mukova. Ngichiye ngivule umnyango. All right. And then if you wanted to say vura maziso uone, vula amehlo ubone. Are we together? Lastly, vura nzeve unzwe, vula indlebe uzwe. I hope it's making sense and I hope you're following. Let me know your experience with learning isiNdebele as a Shona speaker in the comments below. Bye-bye.